Good evening, all of you. Akshaya, are you hearing me? Hello, Anirudh, Nagabhushnam.
Good evening, sir.
Did you attempt JEE test and JEE only connected, no? CET also. Nagabhushnam and Gopala.
Yes, sir.
Attempted?
Yes, sir.
How many marks you got?
In JE1 I got 36 and in KSET I got 65.
Out of, okay, 65. Oh. I connected 60 marks only, no? CET.
No, sir. I guess it was from percentage I'm talking, sir.
You are saying percentage, okay. Nagabhushnam?
Sir, he also got 36 in JE and in KSET, sir, I don't know. I'll ask him.
Hmm.
Sir?
Yes, Nagabhushnam.
Yes, sir. Sir, KSET one, I got 45. Sir, I have a lot of doubts.
KSET?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, J main level, I found 3 questions suspicious, sir.
3 questions.
Like I have 2 questions doubt. I
Hmm.
think one of those questions was wrong in the solution itself, sir.
Okay, what is that question?
Sir, question number 24, I guess.
No, I don't have question paper.
Yes, sir. It was, sir,
Okay.
we solved it also. We were taking 3 inside 1/4 power.
What is related to which concept?
Sir, ionic equilibrium.
Okay.
Sir, for me, ionic equilibrium is not good.
Okay.
Sir, it was question number 24 itself. The solubility product of CrOH thrice at 298 Kelvin is 6 into 10 power minus 31.
Solubility product is given, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. The concentration of hydroxide ions in the saturated solution of CrOH thrice will be. When I solved, I got answer B. And I read this problem 2-3 times, sir. But it's still saying answer D. And when I went into solution, it came as answer B itself, but they marked it as answer B.
Okay, that's one question. Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Sir,
next.
also, one more question, sir. Yeah, it's an accession reason question. They say that accession is the ionization of hydrogen sulfide in what is low, sorry, the ionization of hydrogen sulfide in water is low in presence of HCl. So the reason is given as H2S is the weak acid.
Yeah, okay.
The main reason is common ion effect, right? Yes, sir. So I marked as A and R are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A.
Okay.
Sir, is it correct?
Correct, that is correct.
Yes, sir. But still, in answer also they wrote due to common ion effect, and they wrote that H2S even is a weak acid.
Weak acid, yeah.
Yes, sir. But they're saying that both are correct and it's correct explanation.
No. That's not correct
Yes.
explanation. Not related to that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I have one more doubt. Hydrolysis of sodium carbonate involves reaction. Sorry, sir. 1 minute. The hydrolysis of sodium carbonate involves the reaction between option A says sodium ion and water. Option B says sodium ion and OH minus. Option C says carbonate ion and water. Option D says carbonate ion and H plus.
So what is correct answer?
Sir, I am getting as option A as well as option C, but
So that is salt of a strong base and weak acid now.
yes, sir.
So weak acid part is undergoing salt hydrolysis. So you told that is sodium carbonate, right? Na2CO3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So carbonate is a weak, came from weak acid. So that is undergoing hydrolysis. That is anion
Sir,
hydrolysis takes place.
sir, why like that? Like even I can cancel out the weak acid and I can say that sodium ion and
No need to go that much deep. You see, I explained 4 type of salts now. Salt of strong acid, strong base.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Salt of
Yes, sir.
strong base and weak acid.
Yes, sir.
Strong base and weak acid, see there. It is undergoes anion hydrolysis or cation hydrolysis.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So that undergoes anion hydrolysis. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have doubts in KSET level also. Sir, the question is,
Hmm.
it says that when hydrogen molecules are decomposed into atoms, which condition gives maximum yield of H atom?
Hmm.
High temperature, low pressure,
Hmm.
temperature, high pressure,
Hmm.
temperature, high pressure,
Hmm.
temperature, and low pressure.
Hmm. What is right?
Sir, I chose low temperature and low pressure, sir, because
High temperature and low pressure, no?
sir, because when H atoms convert into H2 converts to H2H,
Hmm.
then sir, it releases heat, right?
No, bond breaking means we need to give energy. When bond is formed, energy releases. But here we are breaking bond, so we have to invest the energy.
Okay, sir. Sir,
That is
in
actually.
question number 11, sir, in question number 11, it says that for equilibrium
Hmm.
of H2 plus I2 gives 2Hi,
Hmm.
which of the following will affect the equilibrium constant?
Hmm.
Sir, the options are pressure change, concentration change, catalyst, promoter,
Hmm.
temperature change. Sir, I chose temperature change because if you change any of pressure, concentration, catalyst, promoter, it doesn't matter through what means we go through. Only temperature will affect the equilibrium constant. No,
The
sir.
equilibrium constant is only affected by temperature.
Yes, sir. But sir, it says catalyst.
No. I think there may be a wrong option between that. Is okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, also,
Temperature is only answer.
sir, I didn't understand this one. 1 mole of ammonia was completely absorbed in 1 liter solution of each 1 mCl, 1 m CH3COOH,
Hmm.
1 m H2SO4 at 298 Kelvin.
Hmm.
Decreasing order of its pH of resulting solution is given
Hmm.
as, sir, here options are 2, 3, 1. 2 is here CH3COOH.
Yeah, that having higher pH.
Yes, sir. Sir, when ammonia reacts with HCl or H2SO4, which will turn more acidic, sir?
More acidic is H2SO4 because it can provide 2 moles of H plus ions. No, 2 moles of H plus ion can provide by H2SO4. So that is acidic.
Sir, in comparison, H2SO4 is more stronger, HCl.
H2SO4 is more stronger acid.
Okay, sir. Sir, if I would know that, it would be easy. Sir, I lost this one, that's why. Sir, the next question is, sir, in 15th question,
Hmm.
I said that KSP, okay, yes, sir, this I did leave this, sir. Sir, question number 26.
Hmm.
Which of the following has highest pH? M by 4 KOH, M by 4 NaOH, M by 4 NH4OH, M by 4 CaOH twice.
Which one having highest?
Sir, I took as NaOH. Sir, but it says CaOH twice.
It is providing 2OH minus.
Sir, but Sir, but maximum pH is 14, right? Sir, NaOH pH is 14, right?
pH means what is the concentration given there?
Okay, yes, sir. They have provided M by 4. Yes,
M
sir.
by 4. Yeah, that is double. It
Yes,
will become double now.
yes, sir. I thought concentration doesn't matter, so I thought relative strength.
No.
Okay, sir. Sir, the next question is question number 31. A buffer solution is used in. Sir, in this one, how do we know that where is the application of buffer solution, sir?
Okay, read options.
Sir, preparation of potash alum,
Next.
of PO4, uh, 3 minus ions, increase in pH value of a solution,
Hmm.
precipitation of CrOH thrice from CrCl3.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, how do we know where it is used?
4 options you did already. 2 or 4 options are given.
Sir,
First one
four
is
options are given.
first one is
Sir, first one is preparation of potash alum.
preparation of potassium. Okay, next.
Sir, next one is removal of PO4 3 minus ions.
PO4 3 minus ions. Okay.
Sir, next one is increasing pH value of a solution.
Increasing pH value. No, that is how it is related. Yeah, I think C only wrong.
Sir, but they are asking where it is used in.
Okay.
And last option is precipitation of CrOH thrice from CrCl3.
Precipitation we don't use in during precipitation process. I think you
How
can
do
go
we
through option B only. So what is, we should know first what is buffer solution.
Sir, buffer solution is a solution where its acidity or basicity doesn't change.
We need to maintain a particular solution with constant pH.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so which is related to that. Option B is, read once again option B.
Of PO4 3 minus ions.
Okay. What is solution is given?
So no solution is given.
Okay. Then okay, that's completely no option also not given.
So that they have given it as PO removal of PO4 PO4 3 minus ions.
Okay.
Sir, I don't understand why we use it for removing ions.
We need to maintain constant pH, but that's okay. I will. You can see applications of buffer solution in textbook. So read that
Okay,
that concept.
okay, sir. I'll
But in
read.
alum preparation, I think not require any buffer solution. That is with salt, no alum, potash alum, not require anything. And the C option is completely wrong. D option also, even precipitation process, we don't use any buffer solutions. We need to maintain somewhat constant pH. This to avoid some ions or to add some ions, we can maintain constant pH. Okay, first once you read that application part, you'll get idea.
Okay, sir. So the next question is solution of FeCl3 in water acts as an acidic solution due to option A hydrolysis of Fe3 plus, option B acidic impurities, option C dissociation, option D ionization.
What is here? Hydrolysis of Fe3 plus, no?
Sir, but it is dissociation, right?
Salt, okay, generally it undergoes ionization, okay. So that is salt of weak acid, sorry, weak base and strong acid, FeCl3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which kind of hydrolysis takes place there?
Sir, and
Cationic hydrolysis.
yes, sir. Cationic, sir.
So cation is what? Fe3 plus?
To charge.
So option is given what?
Sir, they have given us acidic impurities. I don't understand why they put acidic impurities.
Don't keep any acidic impurities.
Yes.
Solution, is it explained?
Sir, in a solution, they said that FeCl3 hydrolysis gives acidic solution due to presence of strong acid HCl and weak base FeO3.
That is a known thing. Okay, common. Now that option is not given, no.
No, sir, that's not given.
Not
That's
related to that solution explanation and
yes,
option.
sir.
Okay, not related.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see later that question.
Okay, sir. So the next question is 45th. Sir, in which of the following reactions the concentration of product is higher than concentration of reactant?
Which one having higher Ka value or K value that having highest
Yes,
product?
sir. I selected that option, but still they are saying that it is not that option. It's saying K equals 0.005.
What?
Sir, this question itself is wrong. Like the solution is K equals 10. There's an option. The highest value is K equals 10, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But option is given?
Sir, but they said that it is 0.005.
0.005. That is the lowest, I think. All Ka values, once you read all Ka values.
Sir, K values are 0.01,
Uh,
10,
uh,
0.005,
uh.
0.01.
I think that 0.005 is, that is the lowest.
Yes, sir,
Productive
that's the
concentration is
lowest.
less. Productive concentration is
Yes,
less.
sir.
Maybe they coded a wrong option.
Yes. Sir, the next question is, sir, which of the following is irreversible reaction? Sir, how do we predict that a reaction is irreversible or no?
If it is completely salt, it undergoes complete ionization. If
Sir,
it is
like,
weak acid or
sir,
weak base, they are not undergo complete ionization.
sir, could you repeat?
So if it is salt, complete ionization takes place. If
Yes,
it is weak acid or weak base, not takes place complete ionization.
sir, but here that we can predict, sir, but here totally different options. Sir, they are like NH3 to N2 and H2.
What NH?
Sir, NH3 to N2 and H2.
N2 and okay, ammonia, dissociation of ammonia.
Yes, sir, dissociation of ammonia.
Yeah, so this is, we know it is a reversible process. Okay.
Yes, a reversible process. Then next one is PCl5.
This is also irreversible. So reversible reaction. We
The
solve
next
it
one
like
is
problem solved.
Sir, what is KClO3?
Potassium chlorate. Heating in presence of manganese dioxide and giving KCl and O2, no?
Yes, sir, KCl and O2.
That is irreversible reaction.
Sir, but sir, the next option was SO3 gives SO2 and O2.
Yes, that is also reversible. I think C only wrong.
Sir, like how to know in exam?
That is by solving more problems. If you observe it, see remaining 3 reactions we observed while solving many problems.
Yes, sir, but
we didn't observe wherever this KClO3.
Yes, sir, but in the first place, sir, I don't know what is KClO3. That's
the best method, laboratory best method to prepare oxygen. KClO3 heating.
So the next question is, for a reversible chemical, sir, this question involves activation energy, sir. Sir, can you explain again activation energy?
Activation energy, the amount of energy is required to convert a reactant to product. Sorry, yeah. I didn't bring marker. Just a minute. This is a reactant. This is product. To convert reactant to product, first reactant to reach one excited state. This is to form activated complex. Minimum amount of energy is required to convert reactant to product. It is called activation energy. This is. What is question? Nagabhushnam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, it says for a reversible reaction.
Okay, reversible reaction. Tell me.
Yes, sir. The forward reaction is exothermic.
Forward reaction is exothermic. 1 minute.
Yes.
Then graph is like this. Energy of product is low, energy of reactant is high. This is forward reaction, right? Next. Oh, not visible.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, what are on the sides of the graph?
Sides were here energy, reaction coordinate.
Sir, what is reaction coordinate?
Just movement, reactant convert into product.
Okay.
This is activated complex. You are telling?
Backward reaction has higher activation energy.
No doubt. Backward reaction having higher activation energy compared to forward reaction.
Sir, what will be for forward then?
Forward is less activation energy compared to this. Backward reaction, you need to see, you told the reaction is exothermic.
Yes, sir.
So reactant is converting into product. Here some amount of energy released. This
Yes,
amount
sir,
of
yes.
energy released.
Yes, I got
Here
it.
the energy released. So to convert now reactant to product, only this much activation energy is sufficient. From here to here it is sufficient.
Okay, sir. So that gap is activation energy.
This is activation energy. Forward reaction activation energy. This is.
Okay, sir.
Sorry. Forward reaction activation is this only. This is.
Got it.
Backward reaction activation energy from here to here. So we need to give backward reaction higher activation energy.
Yes, sir. The next option was backward and forward processes have the same activation energy.
No.
Backward reaction has lower activation energy. No activation energy required.
No. First option is what? Backward reaction having
Sir,
higher activation
yes,
energy.
sir.
Then that is
Yes,
only
sir.
correct.
Sir, then what about endothermic? Endothermic, it look like a
Reverse. This is endothermic. In endothermic reaction, reactant energy, product energy is more. So here energy is absorbed.
sir when delta H is 0.
Then both are equal. Same activation energy.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So here activation energy, forward reaction having more, backward reaction having less. This is forward reaction, backward reaction less only in case of endothermic reaction. This is exothermic.
Sir,
Yes.
so the next question is, which of the following cannot act as both Bronsted acid and Bronsted base?
What
Sir,
was the species?
HCO3 minus,
Ah.
NH3,
Ah.
HCl, H2SO4.
Bronsted acid and Bronsted base both.
Yes, sir. Sir, option B is the answer, right? Because it's not explained by the theory itself.
Bronsted acid is it need to, yeah, it can. If it is able to absorb gain H plus ion, it can form NH4 plus. If it loses, giving NH2 minus. Also see this HCl.
Sir, but NH3 is not explained by Bronsted acid, Bronsted Lowry theory, right?
Explained. You see many examples are there with NH3. Explained.
Okay, sir,
It is
I'll check
capable to
it.
gain and capable to lose. HCl
Okay, sir.
as a Bronsted
Sir,
acid,
HCl.
HCl minus.
Yes,
As
sir,
a
it can't act.
Bronsted base, is it possible?
No, sir, it can't.
It can't. Maybe this one will answer. H2SO4, maybe it can. HSO4 minus. This is highly difficultly. HSO, H3,
Sir, it's HESO4 minus, sir.
H3SO4 minus. You think C, option C only?
Okay, sir, got it. Yes, sir, then all my doubts are over.
It's given their solution also for this question.
Yes, sir, they wrote why option A, option B, and option D are correct, and why not option C?
Why not option C? The
Yes,
solution,
they
it
wrote-
not explain solution.
yes, sir, in the solution they told that HCl can act as Bronsted acid because it can only donate proton.
Proton, yeah.
Yes, sir, but it can't gain a proton.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, now I will share few questions of redox reactions. First CET questions I'll share. Yeah, just now I shared. See in Google Classroom.
Yes, sir, we received it.
So this is fully CET level questions. See the first question. See Nagabhushanam. Actually, this is deep about electrodes and electrode potentials. It will comes in 12th standard electrochemistry topic. Here we have direct formula to calculate E cell. E cell is equal to E naught cell plus 0.059 by N log of H plus concentration. So hydrogen electrode generally E naught cell value is 0. So this is 0. At 0.059, only one electron transfer takes place during the process. And log of H plus concentration is given as here, pH is equal to 3. Means H plus concentration is 10 power minus 3. So minus 3 into 0.059 log 10. Log 10 is 1, multiply this. 1 minus 0.177. This is okay, don't worry, it will comes in 12th standard. We will need to derive formulas also. Next, see second one. In the conversion of Br2 to BrO3 minus, the oxidation number of bromine changes from. Find out. Change of oxidation number of bromine from Br2 to BrO3 minus. What is answer? Gopala.
Sir, 0 to plus 5.
Br2 changes to BrO3 minus. 0 plus 5, correct. Third one. The Brown ring test for nitrates depends on the reduction of nitrate to nitric oxide, oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide, reduction of ferrous sulfate to iron, oxidizing action of sulfuric acid. So
Sir,
here,
what is
tell me.
Sir, what is brown ring test?
First, you need to know what is here. The presence of nitrogen, especially nitro group in salt analysis, the presence of nitrate ion in the solution were identified with the help of Brown ring test. First, we are taking the sample which contains a nitrate ion. Sample, aqueous solution of nitrate solution. The test tube, suppose we are taking 2 ml of this. the solution having nitrate ion. Here we are adding further 2 ml or equal volume of FeCl3 solution. Cl2, I think, not FeCl, FeCl2 solution we are adding. Next, just we are bending a little, and just 2 or 3 drops of H2SO4 is added to this solution, concentrated H2SO4. So these two solutions wherever made, the NO3 solution and FeCl2 solution, at this junction point, brown color ring is formed. That only we are calling brown ring test. That is doing practically. Then actually what happens during that process? See the reactions of the solution having nitrate ion, NO3 minus. We are adding Fe ions and Fe2 plus ions. Acidic medium, water, so H2SO4 also we are adding. 4H plus. It gives NO. This is only major here. Iron is undergoing oxidation, 3Fe3 plus and 2H2. So mainly here, nitrate is undergoing reduction. This nitrate nitric oxide combining with Fe2 plus ions and forms a complex. Complex is FeH2O5NO. This is a complex. FeH2O5NO and plus 2 plus charge here it maintains. So this is only brown colored substance, my here. This is only brown ring substance. Here many questions are asking depending on this reaction. Brown ring test is used to identify first thing, nitrate ion. During this process, nitrate ion undergoes reduction and giving nitric oxide. And this brown ring chemical formula is this is FeH2O5 NO. Here NO is nitrosonium. Oxidation state or valency of NO is +1. Here oxidation state of iron is +1. Very important, ma'am. Frequently asking questions. Oxidation state of iron in brown ring test is +1 only. Oxidation state of this ligand NO is also +1. So it will comes in salt hydrolysis. Practicals it will come these reactions. Okay. Read next question, Nagabhushna. So this question answer is first one only, first option, nitrate ion undergoing reduction to give nitric oxide. The reduction of nitrate to nitric oxide. This one. Okay. Fourth one.
An ionic equation BiO3 minus plus 6H plus X electrons gives Bi3 plus 3H2O. The
Okay,
value
so
of X is.
okay, balance this reaction and find out what is X. Just you take only half reaction, that is BiO3 minus becoming Bi3 plus. Then balance that half reaction only. What is oxidation state of Bi? Oxidation state of Bi in reactant side.
+5, sir.
+5. Okay, so we need to add 2 electron now. This is +3, +5. Okay, next oxygen balancing. Three oxygen, so 3H2O. Here we have 6 hydrogens. Keep this at 6H plus. Balanced. Equation is balanced. Now the X value is 2. Fifth one, the oxidation state of iron in K4FeCN6 is. What is oxidation state of iron in K4FeCN6? See how to calculate this. Here 4 potassiums are there. Each potassium carries +1 charge. So 4 potassium carries +4 charge. So counter charge is -4. So FeCN6, without writing potassium, you can keep here -4. Now iron plus 6 cyanides equal to -4. Fe, each cyanide having -1 charge. So Fe -4 plus 6, so +2. Answer is +2. D. Potassium carries +1 charge. 4 potassium carries +4 charge. Its counter charge is -4. So I wrote -4 on the spaces, negatively charged spaces. Next, iron 6 cyanides is equal to -4. Cyanide carries -1 charge. Like chlorine, we are writing a -1. CN also -1. So oxidation state of iron is coming as +2. Question number 6. When compared to Gibbs energy for the formation of Al2O3, the Gibbs energy for the formation of Cr2O3 is same, unpredicted, higher or lower?
Huh?
This, yeah, tell me.
Sir, it should be same, right?
No, not same. But
No, sir,
depending
because
upon
it's
one application. Yeah, it is. We'll discuss this deep in 12th standard metallurgy. Actually, aluminum metal we are using to reduce chromium oxide. To chromium ore contain chromium oxides. Reacting with aluminum metal, we can get 2 chromiums and Al2O3. So now, which one having more ability to form oxide, chromium or aluminum? Which is easy to form its respective oxide, aluminum oxide or chromium oxide?
Sir, aluminum.
Aluminum oxide. I think in the metal displacement reactions also.
Yes, sir.
Suppose magnesium plus copper sulfate we have. So this copper is easily replaced by magnesium, so giving Cu plus MgSO4. So means to form this compound, magnesium sulfate or whatever sulfate ion, which one having more ability means we can say magnesium having more ability to form salt. So here also same way. Suppose chromium having more ability to form its oxide means this reaction not possible. First of all, it is not ready to lose its oxygen atoms. But actually aluminum is more reactive to form its respective oxide. That's what it can pull oxygen atom from Cr2O3. Okay, so Cr2O3 is forming very easily, right? Cr2O3 forms very easily. This means what? Gibbs energy, negative or positive? Something is formed very easily means what is Gibbs energy value?
Sir, negative.
Negative. It is spontaneous. That meaning it is negative. So I'm writing here. Negative. Of course, it also may be negative or positive, but compared to this Al2O3, this value must be higher only. Compared to this value must be higher. That's what Cr2O3 not forms easily compared to Al2O3. So we can choose option C. Question number 7. The oxidation state of iron in brown ring complex. So what is the answer? Oxidation state of iron is, I think, here given mistake. You need to choose option C is correct. C is correct answer. +1 only. Eighth one. In the reaction, 2Fe2SO4 plus H2SO4 plus H2O2 became Fe2SO4 plus 2H2O. The oxidizing agent is. Yeah, find out here what is oxidizing agent. Which one is oxidizing agent?
H2O2.
H2O2 oxygen oxidation state -1 became it is -2 means it is undergoing reduction, so acting as oxidizing agent. Yes, correct. Correct, my H2O2 only because H2SO4 in reactant side also maintaining +6 oxidation state. Product side also sulfate ion maintaining +6 only. So no change here. So we no need to consider this one. H2O2 -1 it is maintaining oxidation state. When it became water, you are maintaining -2. So this is undergoing reduction, acting as oxidizing agent. C is correct. Ninth one. Three ClO gives rise ClO minus plus 2Cl minus is an example of oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, disproportionation reaction, decomposition reaction. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I think the compound is wrong. Like it's ClO3 minus, right?
Wait. So we have 3 ClO giving ClO and 2 ClO. I think it's a mistake. Reaction is wrong. But we want to balance an oxygens. The oxygens here only 3 chlorines are there. We consider the same reaction. Of course, here O2 is released. Oxidation state of chlorine here. Only ClO, not ClO3. Here, oxidation state. +1. ClO minus also +1. There is no change. 0. No, and here Cl minus. From here to here, no change, but here to here, change is there. +1 changes to -1 is the reduction. So only reaction is reduction reaction. Only B is correct, reduction reaction only that is. Okay. See question number 10. The standard reduction potential at 298 Kelvin for the following half cell reaction. So here given 4 half cells. Reduction potential value is also given. Which of the following is the strongest reducing agent? See, something species acting as a reducing agent means it easily loses electrons. Look, there are 4 options. Which one having lower E naught value that acts as a good reducing agent? Lower E0 refers good reducing agent. Lower here we can see first reaction only, that is Zn became Zn plus 2 electron, we can Zn2 plus 2 electrons gives Zn. E0 is minus 0.762, that is only lowest value. So you can write B. Zinc is good reducing reagent. Okay. 11th one, for the reaction XMnO4 minus plus YH2C2O4 plus 2 plus ZH plus gives rise Mn2 plus NCO2 plus PH2O. The value of X, Y, M and N are. So balance this redox reaction. MnO4 minus H2C2O4. Okay, H plus we can add later. Mn2 plus CO2.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in this reaction, the value of X and M should be same, right?
X and M.
Yes, sir. The value should be same.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we can go with option B.
Option.
B.
Yeah, we can go option B. Correct. And even Y and N also compare. N should be
N
double.
should be twice. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Twice.
So where it is
Sir, it is
correct one, 5 and 10. Okay, you can choose option B only. Correct. Here we must have to balance this. We must need to keep 2 carbons means you need here also we need to keep 2. Otherwise electron balancing it. 5 electron gain. 2 must here keep 2. 1 electron loss. So this is 1 or 2. 2 electron. Each carbon loses 1, 2 electron loss. This multiply with 5, this multiply with 2. 2 MnO4 minus multiply with 5, no? 5 H2C2O4. 2 Mn2 plus multiplying with 5, 10 CO2. Okay, this number is sufficient. 2, 5, 2, 10. 12th one, the number of moles of electron required to reduce 0.2 mole of Cr2O7 2 minus 2 Cr3 plus. Okay, Cr2O7 2 minus 2 becomes Cr3 plus. First, chromium, here we have only one chromium, keep here 2. Here each chromium oxidation state plus 6. 2 chromium together lost, 12 electron loss. Here each chromium lost only 3 electron, overall lost 6 only. So add this at 6 electrons. Two Cr3 plus.
Sir,
So 0.2 mole. No? So to reduce 1 mole of Cr2O7 requires 6 moles. Six moles of electrons. Just for 0.2 mole of this one. Just 6 into 0.2. 1.2, no? 1.2 mole of electrons required. A is correct. So here answer these questions. Objective type based on NCRT. Try yourself.
okay, sir.
Is your examination schedule came in KB?
No, sir. Examination schedule didn't come.
Syllabus completed?
No, sir.
Which topic is going on?
Sir, in chemistry, he just our teacher just completed redox reactions. And
Okay, still hydrogen, S
sir,
block, P block, and organic also there.
yes, sir. Organic, I think he started two topics, and hydrogen he is almost completing it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is bromine water?
Just bromine liquid is liquid bromine dissolved in water. That's called bromine water.
Okay, sir.
Just bromine water is a molecular bromine only, Br.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, oxidizing behavior means it should reduce, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Nagabhushan, which problem are you doing? Question number.
So right now I am in fifth one.
Fifth one, okay. Gopala?
Sir, I'm in fourth one.
Okay, carry on.
Sir,
Yes,
which one is stronger, H2SO4 or H2SO3?
H2SO4, the stronger acid.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you do the ninth one?
Okay. Wait. Question number
Sir, question number is 9.
9. Okay. The oxidation state of chromium in the final product formed by the reaction between potassium iodide and acidified potassium dichromate solution is, okay, it is a fully reaction based. If we know reaction, then only we can identify. Here, chromium in the final product formed by the reaction of potassium iodide. So, okay, and acidified potassium dichromate. So, Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7. It is a stable form in acidic medium is Cr3 plus. See, chromium plus 6 state changes to plus 3 state. So, answer is plus 3. Manganese in acidic medium, we can write Mn KMnO4 change into Mn plus 2. Plus 2 state is more stable. Like chromium, plus 3 is more stable. So, see in solution, you can get a chemical reaction between K2Cr2O7 and potassium iodide.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, what is oxalic acid?
Oxalic acid formula H2C2O4.
Sir, I have one more doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, how do you predict reactions?
Which reaction means which reaction?
Sir, like here they have given mixture of potassium chlorate,
Ah,
oxalic acid, and sulfuric acid is heated. During the reaction, which element undergoes maximum change in oxidation number?
okay. 1 minute. Question number you are asking?
Number 11.
11. Okay. KMNO4, H2C2O4, and you can see the reaction and oxidation state change observe. A manganese changes from +7 to +2. So change is 5. And oxalic acid is carbon oxidation state +3. That became +4. So change is
Sir,
only 1
here no
unit.
reaction is given, sir.
What?
Sir, no reaction is given.
You are talking, okay, 11th. No, wait. Sorry. I'm seeing another one. Ah, a mixture of potassium chlorate, oxalic acid, and sulfuric acid is heated. During reaction, which element undergo maximum change in the oxidation state? Okay, let's try to write equation. KClO3 sulfuric acid on heating. I think this oxalic acid changes. It changes to carbon dioxide only. So there is no other choice to give product carbon dioxide. And here potassium chlorate with oxygen, it is giving mostly KCl possibility is there to form KCl. Oxygens are there, hydrogens are also there, possible to give water. And potassium is there, sulfate also there, possible to give K2SO4 also. So these are, I'm giving only possible products, not 100%. These are possible products. Which element oxidation state is changed much? Check the chlorine oxidation state here. In KClO3, what is oxidation state of chlorine? Chlorine oxidation state here.
5. Sir, it's 5 plus 5.
Here, -1. Change is 6 electrons, no?
Yes, sir.
I think that is only major changes.
Okay.
You can see the chemical reaction also. KClO3, okay, oxalic acid, H2SO4, products are KCl, carbon dioxide, water only. Okay, H2SO4 in the presence, I think it is not involving the reaction, presence of catalyst. So we don't expect this also. Yes, tell me.
Sir, what is permanganate?
Permanganate. KMnO4. Just permanganate, but not potassium. So MnO4 minus. Gopala, which question are you doing?
Sir, I completed 13th one.
Okay. Gopal?
Sir, he started 11th one.
Okay.
Sir, this week which all tests will be?
This week, this chapter and hydrogen topic, hydrogen. Two
Sir, like
chapters.
sir, hydrogen, how to study that? I didn't
Hy-
study hydrogen still, sir.
Hydrogen, just we need to read textbook, concept fully read from textbook only.
Okay, sir.
And I will share another concept also, not a problem. Then MCQ questions I will share from another material.
Okay, sir.
Nearly covered 200 MCQ questions. Mostly 99% of JE questions are giving from NCRT textbook only for inorganic. Because if they cross anything, we can't answer. That's what. Mostly, I will show you how is the questions in 2020 and 2019.
Okay.
100%, almost all questions are giving from NCRT only, but they are picking the lines in between the concept. So each and every point carefully read and important points, especially note down in the paper. Hmm? Okay, tomorrow also, yeah, we'll do redox reactions only. Next Friday and Saturday, hydrogen topic.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.